Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or idle fish Chinese shopping app. Quite a lot number of people that are using this app here are always complaining about talking to seller or how they can chat with seller successful without any stress. And in this video, I will show you on how to talk or how to chat with seller and simply ask for price reduction during the chat on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So before you can chat with seller on Xianyu app, there are different things you need to do. One of the first things you need to do is to make sure you verify your Xianyu Chinese shopping app with your international passport. Secondly, if you are not Chinese speaker, that does not mean you cannot talk to any seller on Xianyu app. What you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you install Google Translate on your Android phone or your iPhone. So I'm going to exit from my Xianyu app right here. And for every Android phone user, what you need to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store right here. So when you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make use of your search app right here and type in Google Translate. Go ahead and type in Google Translate and hit enter. Then you are here. So go ahead and click on the first one right there. You can see Google Translate. Make sure you have this app on your phone. This app here is a free app that allows you to translate your language to whatever language of your choice. You can scroll down and read details about the previous system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, it's a free app by Google. Go ahead and click on open right here. So whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, it's the same thing. So once you open up, then set your primary language right here, while it's going to translate into Chinese simplified right here. So here I'm going to simply set it to be English, and here I'm going to set it to be Chinese simplified. That's simple. Once you set up your Google Translate, you can go ahead and go back to your Xianyu app right here, just like so. Now here we can connect with any sellers right here. So let's, for instance, I'm interested in this Oppo Reno 8 Pro phone. Click on the product link right here. When you click on the product link, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. For you to start chat with the seller, click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go back to your Google Translate right here. Then go ahead and make it type. You can simply say, hello, my friend. Do you still have this item available in store? And simply say, I'm interested. Buy. Just like so. Then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here to copy the Chinese translate. Then go back right here into your Xianyu app. Click on here, paste the text and send. Then if the seller is available online, you get your response instantly. But however, some of the seller, you can see the message has been delivered and read by the seller. So sometimes if the seller is not available, it might take some time before you get a feedback from the seller. Then the next feedback will determine the next question you are going to ask the seller. You can see this seller here has responded to my chat right here. Now, in some cases, if you still find it difficult to translate the chat because the chat here is coming as Chinese character right here. So what you need to do is to take a screenshot and translate it. For that, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot. Then having taken a screenshot, I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'm going to make use of my Chrome browser this time around. So whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, you are still doing the same. Go ahead and create a new tab. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on this camera icon. Then I'm going to upload screenshots. Then I'm choosing translate. Yes, mobile phone mode. You can see the product still available. So I'm going to ask again, is it a new phone or used phone? Is it a new phone or used phone? Just like so. Then I'll go ahead and copy the Chinese character and I'll come back right here. Then I'll make sure I paste the chat and send. Now the next response will determine the next question. So go ahead and ask and chat as many as possible. Talk every detail about the product before you go ahead and hit on place order button in Xianyu Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial about how best to use Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to check a lot of series tutorial video about Xianyu app on my channel. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, JD Shopping app, Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace and love.